Indian Muslim Relief and Charities is a non-profit humanitarian aid relief organization established in 1981. IMRC vision is to uplift the standard of life of Muslims and minorities in poverty-struck areas of India and develop projects based on their needs. IMRC with its dedicated team, visionary leaders, and over 100 organizations on site in India to empower minorities and Muslims and ensure they live and work in dignity. Health initiatives. We have established the Indo-US Hospital based on our experience in handling a 20-bedded hospital, which we had run for over 6 years. This has helped us expand Indo-US into a 60-bed hospital, which provides state-of-the-art services for various types of medical complications. Recently, the 4th IMRC India Medical Initiative Tools placed with 11 camps in 3 different locations. Over 4,700 patients treated. READ, Rural Education and Economic Development. IMRC initiatives just completed 49 projects in 7 districts, 12 more in progresses. Soon, 59 borewells, masjids and madrasas with imams in the rural areas.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Challenger International School. IMRC started the Challenger International School to tackle the tasks faced by homeless children in India regarding their proper shelter and proper education. In a 1-acre part of Moinabad, 25 km from Hyderabad, the CIS began its stunt of destiny with donations giving rise to 2 blocks of hostel and a school. The 21 orphan girls, all being proper education and good facilities supervised by capable teachers and sincere staff. Orphan support has been a major focus for IMRC from day one and still continues to be. To support orphans with food, clothing and schooling and to give higher education to them is a main mission. Jahangirabad Media Institute facilitate professional training for both Indian and international students in the disciplines of electronic media. It was based on a firm belief in the potential of mass media to act as a catalyst for social development. Jahangirabad Institute of Technology. It's set up for science, technology, engineering and management in the Jahangirabad Fort of Jahangirabad, Barabanki. Approximately 90% of the students are getting here financially assistance. The students are being able to steer themselves in their education, tuition, books, housing and study. Emergency relief. IMRC aided Gujarat, Latur, Kashmir and Kurnool victims of natural calamities, earthquake, tsunami, etc. Ton of rice and grocery distributed. Sahayata is doing it all with the help of IMRC USA, UK and local support. IMRC has tax exemptions for the donors. Support with zakat, sadqa, fitras and atiyat. We have achieved our goal to some extent, but there is a long way to go. And we request our donors to support us with your zakat, sadqat, fitras and atiyats so that we can do much better for the people and inshallah we will achieve our goal.